Welcome to 360-degree machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of an Aem Timesavers 36-inch wide belt sander. It's in excellent plus condition, small shop owned, and it really does show. If you take a look, it's still mounted to the original shipping skid. It's powered by a 20 horsepower 208 234 60 volt motor, currently wired to 30 volts. This is a fully functioning machine. It's also pretty loaded. First of all, we're going to come to the drum side. We're going to open up, and inside here you have a groove spiral drum. There's no nicks or gouges in it. There's no low spots. The platen has brand new felt and brand new graphite on it. And if you take a look, it's just a really, really clean machine. I mean, it also does have the power table. This is also an auto-calibrating machine. What that basically means is you stick your board in here and you basically raise it to the material and it's going to auto-calibrate for you. You have a numeric height counter that is in inches. Nice clean conveyor. We have this front door open. If you look inside, we're just going to open up real fast. If you take a look, it is just, again, just an excellent condition machine. Let's see, we're going to reset that real fast. We're going to start that feed mat. Turn the speed down on that feed mat. Right now it's going as fast as it can go. And we are going to, again, adjust it down to a crawl. This is an emergency stop rail that goes all the way around. If I hit this, it's going to disengage and turn the machine off. You come around front, you hit your master start, hit your reset. Then we can go back in, we can start that feed mat. We turn that head on. Hit the emergency stop, the brake worked. Again, a really, really fine example of an Aem Timesavers wide belt sander. Takes 37 by 75 inch abrasives. It's a loaded model from a very small shop, excellent conditions. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.